Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, The GSM Solution. This video tutorial is about the special features that Apple added on new iOS system called iOS 14. Apple says that iOS 14 can run on the iPhone 6s to later models. That is exact same as iOS 13. That means and any iPhone supported by iOS 13 is also supported iOS 14. These features can only be seen in Apple iPad, but after the update of the iOS 14, that features added on iPhones. There is so many awesome features that added on iOS 14. Let's discuss. If you visit us first time, don't forget to subscribe. Press bell so that you never miss an important update from us. Let's discuss about the features. New app library features. iOS 14 adds a new app library view for organizing all of your apps. Apps are automatically organized in the app library, and you don't have to keep all of the icons on your actual home screen view. There is also a list view as well as features for sorting application based on usage and more. Recognize the shape. If you take a screenshot and you have to highlight some section, I am here just draw a square and tap and hold it. Will recognize the shape, and that is really awesome features. That also can be seen on noise. If you draw any shape and tap and hold, here I want to draw a square and tap and hold. Here you can see it will recognize the shape as well. Caption to your pictures. You can add caption to your pictures. You have to open the picture from the photo library and just swipe up, and you can see the blank field where you can go ahead and add a caption or title or some memory detail. You can add on it. That can be found in future back tap feature of iOS 14. Double tap on your iPhone back or triple tap on your back of your iPhone to perform a different action, and you can add on it. Go to Setting, tap on Accessibility, tap on Touch. Below, you can see the back tap option and tap on it or on. Here you can add the desired option. I am here add. Double tap on Home and triple tap on Lock Screen. Combine with any shortcut. Here you can see the shortcut option. From here, you can add a new shortcut, add an action. Tap on search Type open and choose any desired application. Open app, choose by desired application. I am here using Facebook page and give the app name and done. Back to accessibility. Tap on dots. Tap on back tap. I am here the Facebook page on double tap on back. I have to access to page directly. You can also add desired application. The another important features of iOS 14 is that automation. Go to shortcut and create a personal automation. Scroll down here, you can see charger. Here you can see two options, is connected and is disconnected. Select and tap next. Tap on add action. Here I am using the do not features. Search and select. Tap on turn on. Click on next. Click on done. After insert charger, the message pop up. Here you can see. The another features is the spotlight search. If you are searching for our contact, all you have to type the name and you can access contact card, all the information about the contact too. iOS 14 new features on privacy setting that can be found under privacy. If you go to privacy and go to location services from here, you can see the how many apps access your location. Now this is new features that you can choose precise location or turn this off. That basically know the approximate location, not the precise location. iOS 14 Apple added the cool feature picture and picture features. These features only works on Apple TV's videos. After you play the videos, here is one option. When you tap on it, then the videos, then you can select that videos or you can move that videos whatever you like on while browsing the menu or browsing any app. The video was playing on homepage quick access. Homepage on the iOS 14 device. You can quickly move between pages by just tapping and holding the dots that have ability to scroll and move. You can add two or more same size widgets. You can combine together. That looks really cool. You can create on with different size, especially on 3 size. that here you can see. Combine same stack on one, make your access all from one by swipe down and scroll. The important features of iOS 14 added also on voice memo. Here the new features was added, that is noise reduction. If you record some voice memo and go to three dot, you will find a new option, edit recording. Here you can see the button, tap on it. This will remove the background noise of your voice memo. If that stuff is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share with friends and loved ones. It's me Akash. Peace out till the next time.